when you have a symptom that has persisted for more than 2 weeks, please, regardless of what it is, whether it is a fever, even though it's particularly usually it's a fever, whether it's a fever, whether it is vomiting, whether it is cough, please just see a physician. September is celebrated or marked as Childhood Cancer Month. What people might not know is that children actually get cancers. One that I saw when I was in private practice. So what happened was that he had been having a fever that would come and go for like a month. He'd get treatment for malaria, he'd get treatment with antibiotics, and he'd go, the fever, for that 1 month, he only had maybe like 2 days during which he was fever free. I was fresh out of residency, I was fresh out of the oncology ward, and I said, you know what, he has to do a chest x-ray. We did a chest x-ray, and we saw an unusual looking mass in his chest, which looked suspicious to me. I examined him and found out that he had lymph nodes. So lymph nodes are like, just like tissues that help your immune system to deal with bad stuff, bacteria and, unusual cells. Had lymph nodes everywhere. And I told the dad that this is most likely a cancer called a lymphoma. As a matter of fact,
lymphomas are very
curable. So cancer is not always like a death sentence. What are some of the general signs that one might see in a child who might have cancer? Fever, swellings, prolonged symptoms, then just a general tiredness, for the child. A child begins to complain about tiredness, they're just weak, they're just tired, because it's unusual for a child to say, I am tired. So here in Nigeria, lymphomas are the commonest type of cancer. So in the US, what types of cancer?
Brain tumors. They've been vomiting at night. No child wakes up and vomits at night randomly unless they have raised intracranial pressure.
So in the UK, when I did general pediatrics, then a lot of leukemias and brain tumors. Lymphomas not so common.
Not so common.
Other like bone cancers not so common. Leukemias and brain tumors. And in leukemia, especially for the children, one of the other signs that you're talking about signs, they brush their teeth.
They bleed.